Hello and welcome to Learn Hmong the J-Way. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the free version of my program called Learn Hmong the J-Way. In this free version, you will have the ability to study all the consonants here, vowels, and tone. Okay, there are 13 vowels right here. But simply, when you come to this main page, it will look something like this. And you can click on the consonant,
cho, chua, do, de, for, fu, ho, how, go, go,
like that. Okay. And then along the animal or pictures, you also get some sample Hmong words like this. You can click on individual word to hear the pronunciation.
gu, bo, I, tu, gao, me.
English.
I see a small gazelle.
I, tu, gao, da.
A yellow gazelle.
Okay. And whenever you click on a consonant, you'll see all the words, Hmong words, that start with the consonant that you are clicking or have clicked. Like this. Under the Pro version, you'll be able to scroll and click on it, okay? And it'll be translation for it. But for the free version, you are not able to do that. Under the Pro version, you will be also to translate each of the Hmong word into English and each of the English word that you click here into Hmong. Additionally, you will be able to click on any of these words here and it'll be translated to other languages that you have checked over here like this. Okay? So for example, if you wanted to see translation to other language, you'll check here. And now if we click on any of the consonant here, the word will be translated over here. So
cho, chua, chua,
chua, right? Cho, chua. So gibbon. It will be translated to English, Lao, Thai, and Vietnamese. Okay? If you want to see Chinese, just click here, close it, and let's see it again.
Chua, do, de,
try again. Yep.
cho, chua.
It'll be translated to Chinese as well. Now, for vowels, notice that when I click on the consonant C, cho, chua, it combines the jaw with all the 13 vowels here with no tone markers, right? But let's say if you want to just practice reading without the tone or the blank tone, you would click this
Cha, chai, chao, chơ,
all the way to
chư.
And if you pick another vowel, a particular vowel that you want to learn, you would do this.
Ao,
See that?
chao, 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 chao. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Now let's just say if you wanted to learn the current consonant with the 13 vowels and then combine with a different tone, you would do like this.
Go,
See the tone go. It will combine with the jaw plus a, jaw plus I, jaw plus ow, and it will be like this.
cha, chai, chao, chơ, chê.
And then the next tone that you want to learn,
Cú, chá, chai, chao, xia, cha, chai, chao.
okay. And then for reading numbers, you can just click here.
Y, bò, nâng gạo, bê.
123. 1235.
Y, chia, o, bò, bê châu, chi. Gạo, dị.
18. 182.
Y, bò, dị, chào, o.